We start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this move, we mentioned uh, we're looking for this flat. All right, that's why we put our lines as a 184 following by 188. We mentioned if the price continue, we want to see whether the price can break this zone or not. If not, the price can drop. And as we can see, the price even couldn't tank. Okay, this is where we could see the down move. Okay, we could see the confirmation for the price is going to drop because it couldn't enter the zone we have been looking for. Then because I was keep highlighting about this flat. All right, as we can see the price drop, and we were more interested to price to, because I mentioned I'm interested for price to drop. That's why I was keep highlighting for the flat as what we expected the price drop. Okay, but in the bigger picture, as we can see, we don't have a divergence. The only thing is if we put our line, these two are relative to each other, we see the divergence, but right now we cannot rely on this divergence. Okay, now because we have been looking, if I move to forward chart, if I remove everything, that's why if we refer to our analysis, I was keep highlighting I'm looking for this one. I want a price drop because we have been putting this two relative to each other. Then we mentioned after the price drop, if I get any flat, any reversal, this is what I'm looking for. That's mean from now, if I see the reversal, I will be more interested to look for. But we need to see the confirmation. Right now, we cannot confirm it. Anyway, we start with daily chart. You want to see what we have been daily, based on daily chart. One things we need to highlight here that most of the chart they following each other. Okay, and mostly all depends on the Bitcoin right now. I mean nowadays, and if we want to look, mostly they have a similar movement as well. Okay, but technically, if we look at the chart, we had two options. We mentioned either this is the flat and in relative to this, and we were expecting the price to drop. And if this is the start of the down move, if I put my lines here, the first thing is I don't want to see the breakout of 113.3, because if the price break this one easily, the price can drop to 60. Okay, that's why the breakout of the previous low is very important for us. And even if you refer to this correction. Okay, anyway, if this is the only flat and this is the start of the down move, mostly the price can retest to 60. But second option we have been looking for, first correction for one move up. That's mean for the second option we can expect the price to consolidate for a longer time. That's mean this one can tend to more complex correction. But the one things I need to highlight here, if the price reverses from here, as I mentioned, we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. I don't think this is the start of the up move. Then the best case is if the price can retest the previous low, then from there is reverse. Then from there, the reversal can be at the long term, and the one is going to retest the top. Okay, but right now, what I'm looking for, if I get any reversal, I will take the trade. This is the best option I'm looking for because this is what I have been all the way discussing in my last analysis. Okay, and if we move to forward chart, as you can see, the price almost broke this structure, and right now I'm looking for this first. I mean the first, second, third as an internal correction in relative to this. It doesn't mean the 100% the price is going to reverse. If we get the reversal, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for reversal. If I get the reversal, I will take the trade for buy. Okay, but right now we have to see what we get. We have to see the correction because still the price is down move. Okay, the pressure is still there. That's why we have to see the correction. From there, we can make a decision whether the price can reverse or continue. It doesn't mean if there is a continuation, we cannot look for sell. We can. But first things we should know that where the price is in this correction, almost at the lowest price. Okay, that means if anyone wants to look for sell, they should have the really good trade. I mean the trade setup. Anytimes, but there is a possibility that the price reverse sharply. Then what I suggest right now, whoever get the trade for sell, if they want to keep the trade for long term, they think the price can drop some more and can break the previous low based on the daily chart, at least move their stop loss to break even. And rather than that, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy or sell. And mostly whoever get the trade from here, they need to start to manage it. Okay. In this case, what I suggest, whoever, if he wants to look for sell or buy, we have to wait for the correction. If still we can look for continuation as a corrective, that means we get the correction and the price drop. Okay, that's why from now, if we say, if we want to look for sell with a small correction, we consider as a short term, unless it turns to a deeper correction similar to what we get here. All right, then how about the reversal? If we want to look for reversal, we need to see the sharp move as a reversal with the correction of lag. Then from there we can look for buying. Okay, may I just show an example similar to, we don't have really good example to show, may similar to what we get here, or any correction similar to what we have here, but there was no reversal from here. Even if we get the reversal, we need to have the proper management. Okay, by the way, right now we don't have any reversal point, and even we don't have any trade setup for sell. The only things I see the divergence based on these two moves here, this low and relative to this, but this divergence doesn't give me a confirmation for the price to reverse. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.